Moving and renaming files, the command is mv, but if you're not careful, it can overwrite your data without any warning. mv at its core is simple. It means to move the file. For example, mv file.txt /documents will move the file from where it's at to the documents folder. Pretty simple and easy to follow, right? But it can also rename a file instead of move it. mv file.txt, file01.txt, and with a quick ls, we can see the name is changed to file01.txt. Now you can even do both of these at the same time. mv file01.txt /documents projects file02.txt. Now the file has been renamed and sent into the projects folder in documents. With a quick cdn and an ls, you can verify that. Now there are warnings to watch out for. There is no undo, there is no trash bin. Once it's run, it overwrites in silence if there was a file with that name already. The best case practice is to add the flag I to the command. mvi tells it to give you a prompt before overriding, and that's a good habit to get into while learning. Remember, always run ls before you move to see what is there. Look twice, move once. Next time, we will take a look at rm and how to safely use it. Like, follow, share, and I'll see you soon.